ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത് ട്രെയിനിങ് ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ടർ പ്ലംബിംഗ് SC ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിലേക്ക് കേരള PSC നടത്തിയ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണ് നമ്മൾ റെഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. PSCയുടെ ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ നമ്മളിതിൽ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മളത് നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വാട്ട് സേഫ്റ്റി ഡിവൈസസ് വിൽ യു യൂസ് ടു പ്രൊട്ടക്ട് യുവർസെൽഫ് വൈൽ ചിപ്പിംഗ്? What safety devices will you use to protect yourself while chipping? Guard, goggles, hand screen, gloves. But the answer is goggles. Why the wooden top used on a workbench? Why the wooden top used on a workbench? Option A, absorb shocks. Option B, reject shocks. Option C, easy damage. Option D, durable. Option A ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ, absorb shock. Which safety precaution not associated with the use of hammer? Which safety precaution not associated with use of hammer? Make sure that the handle is fixed tightly in the head. Never use a hammer having a split handle. Don't strike hardened surface with a hammer. Use hammer instead of any other tool. The answer option D ആണ്. Use hammer instead of any other tool. Question number 4. Protect from electric shock. Which device use? Protect from electric shock. Which device use? Answer, rubber hand gloves. Answer, rubber hand gloves. Question number 5. To protect from the eyes from rays of arc should use? Answer, hand screen. Answer, hand screen. Which provide on the point of scribe to prevent accident? Which provide on the point of scribe to prevent accident? Answer A ആണ്, cork. സ്ക്രൈബറിൻ്റെ ആ പോയിന്റിൽ നമ്മൾ ആക്സിഡൻറ്റ് പറ്റാതിരിക്കാൻ കോർക്കാണ് ക്യാപ്പായിട്ടിടുന്നത്. Wear whitewash use on the job. Wear whitewash use on the job. Answer, rough surface. Answer, rough surface. Which tool used to scribe lines to indicate dimensions on the workpiece? Which tool used to scribe lines to indicate dimensions on the workpiece? Answer, scriber. Answer, scriber. State the tool used for scribing lines parallel to datum surface. State the tool used for scribing lines parallel to datum surface. Answer, surface gauge. Answer, surface gauge. Point angle of prick punch. Point angle of prick punch. Answer, 30 degree. Answer, 30 degree. How to specify dividers? How to specify dividers? Answer A, joint and length. Joint and length. State the angle of tri-square. State the angle of tri-square. Angle of tri-square is 90 degree. Option B ആണ് answer, 90 degree. Least count of a metric outside micrometer is? Least count of a metric outside micrometer is 0.01 mm. Option A ആണ് answer, 0.01 mm. Name the tool used to measure outside diameter of a pipe. Name the tool used to measure outside diameter of a pipe. Answer C ആണ് outside caliper. Outside caliper. The included angle of twist drill bit. The included angle of twist drill ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ സി ആണ്. 180 ഡിഗ്രി ആണ് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് ആൻസർ. File guard are used for the removal of suspended matters from the file. Option A ആണ് ആൻസർ. Suspended matters from the file. Hand tabs are used to form the thread on. Hand tabs are used to form the thread on. Answer A ആണ്. Internal threads. Hand tab ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് internal threads ഇടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്. External threads ഇടാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ഡൈസെറ്റ് ആണ്. Socket is also one of the device of their. Socket is also one of the device of their drill holder. Answer B ആണ് ആൻസർ. Drill holder. External threads are cut by. Option B ആണ് ആൻസർ. Die. ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് ആൻസർ. ഡൈ. മുകളിൽ ചോദ്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഇന്റേണൽ ത്രെഡ്സിന് ഏതാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതെന്ന്. ഹാൻഡ് ടാപ്സ് എന്തിനാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ചോദ്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഹാൻഡ് ടാപ്സ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ഇന്റേണൽ ത്രെഡിനും ഡൈസെറ്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ ത്രെഡിനും വേണ്ടിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ ത്രെഡ്സ് ആർ കട്ട് ബൈ ഡൈ. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, മോർട്ടിസ് ചിസൽ ഈസ് എ കട്ടിംഗ് ടൂൾ. മോർട്ടിസ് ചിസൽ ഈസ് എ cutting tool. Option A ആണ് ആൻസർ. Which tool is used for extracting nails? Which tool is used for extracting nails? Answer claw hammer. Answer claw hammer. Length of crosscut saw varies from. Length of crosscut saw varies from. Option D ആണ് ആൻസർ. 600 to 650 mm. 600 to 650 mm. Name the tool to measure the surface level of small area. Name the tool to measure the surface level of a small area. ഒരു ചെറിയ ഏരിയയുടെ സർഫസ് ലെവൽ നോക്കാനായി നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് സ്പിരിറ്റ് ലെവലാണ്. ആൻസർ എ ആണ്, സ്പിരിറ്റ് ലെവൽ. GI pipe socket are designated by. Option C ആണ് ആൻസർ. Nominal bore of pipe for which it is made. GI pipe socket are designated by nominal bore of pipe for which it is made. Lead pipe and copper pipe are cut easy with. Lead pipe and copper pipe are cut easy with pipe cutter. Lead pipe and copper pipe are cut easy with pipe cutter. PVC pipes are manufactured by using. Answer polyvinyl chloride. PVC pipes are manufactured by using polyvinyl chloride. Spun pipe are manufactured by using dash. Answer metal molds. Pipe wrench is used for pipes of diameter 15 to 50 mm. 15 to 50 mm. T is used for. Option A ആണ് ആൻസർ. branch of at 90 degree. Branch of at 90 degree. Every pipe bender will have an inner former. Option B is answer, inner former. Mortar pan is used for. Answer carry excavated materials. Compressive strength of any individual brick shall not be less than 80% of specified strength. Option C ആണ് ആൻസർ. Shall not be less than 80% of specified strength. Cement concrete is Answer, good in compression. Answer, good in compression. While hand mixing of cement concrete. While hand mixing of cement concrete. Option B ആണ് answer. Cement and sand are first mixed. Cement and sand are first mixed. Which tool is used for earth excavation, mixing mortar and mixing concrete? Answer, spade. Option A ആണ് answer, spade. What type of bond is used for constructing curve and footing of foundation? What type of bond is used for constructing curve and footing of foundation? Answer, header bond. Answer, header bond. What is used to binding stones, bricks, etc.? Answer, mortar. What is used to binding stones, bricks, etc.? Answer, mortar. To check straightness of brick masonry and plaster, dash is used. Answer, straight edge. Answer, straight edge. To check straightness of brick masonry and plaster, dash is used. Straight edge. Water absorption percentage of good brick of its own weight is. Water absorption percentage of good brick of its own weight is not more than 20%. Option D an answer, not more than 20%. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin. Option A an answer, lead and tin. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin. What type of flex is used for soldering copper sheet, brass sheet and tin plates? What type of flex is used for soldering copper sheet, brass sheet and tin plates? Answer, zinc chloride. Option B an answer, zinc chloride. In torch brazing, heat is applied by. In torch brazing, heat is applied by. Option A an answer, oxyacetylene flame. Oxyacetylene flame. Melting point of lead is 327 degrees Celsius. Option C an answer, 327 degrees Celsius. Which tongs are used for holding round rods horizontally? Which tongs are used for holding round rods horizontally? Answer, hollow tong. Answer, hollow tong. The head of soldering iron is made of. The head of soldering iron is made of forged copper. And option B an answer, forged copper. Which nut are used light duty assembly which requires frequent removal and fixing? Which nut are used light duty assembly which requires frequent removal and fixing? Answer C an answer, wings nut. Wings nut. Soft solder are used for soldering whose melting point is less than 450 degrees Celsius. Answer D ആണ്, less than 450 degree. Which welding process preferred by weld thick plate? Which welding process preferred by weld thick plate? Answer D, submerged arc welding. Submerged arc welding. Dash are defined as fitting at the end of soil pipes of waste pipes to prevent foul gases coming out of waste pipes. Dash are defined as fitting at the end of soil pipes of waste pipes to prevent foul gases coming out of waste pipes. Answer, trap. Option B an answer, trap. Dash is caused by a fault in the trap or plumbing installation and water on the floor would be apparent. Answer, leakage. Dash is caused by a fault in the trap or plumbing installation and water on the floor would be apparent. Leakage. Option A ആണ് answer. Leakage. The length along the center of the pipe and fitting. The length along the center of the pipe and fitting. Option D ആണ് answer. Developed length. Option D. Developed length. The lowest portion of the inside of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. The lowest portion of the inside of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. Answer C. Invert. Option C ആണ് answer. Invert. A valve permitted a liquid or gas to flow in one direction. A valve permitted a liquid or gas to flow in one direction. Answer D ആണ് check valve. Answer option D ആണ് check valve. 56ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം നമ്മൾ വിട്ടു. PSC വിട്ടതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ വിട്ടത്. 57. In sanitary fitting, the symbol stands for. In sanitary fitting, the symbol stands for gate valve. Answer option C, gate valve. Solder for potable water pipe shall be dash free. Solder for potable water pipe shall be dash free. Lead. അതായത് കുടിവെള്ള പൈപ്പ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന സോൾഡറിൽ lead free ആയിരിക്കണം. Solder for potable water pipe shall be lead free. The liquid waste from kitchens, bathrooms and wash basins is not called. Option B ആണ് answer sewage. Option B ആണ് answer sewage. A pipe installed in the house or building drainage to preserve that water seal of a trap. A pipe installed in the house or building drainage to preserve that water seal of a trap. Answer D, anti-siphonage pipe. Answer D ആണ് anti-siphonage pipe. The disposal of sewage into natural water courses such as streams, rivers, sea and lake is known as disposal by dilution. Disposal by dilution. The disposal of sewage into natural water courses such as streams, rivers, sea and lake is known as disposal by dilution. The bacteria which exist under dark and stagnant conditions in the absence of oxygen are known as. The bacteria which exist under dark and stagnant conditions in the absence of oxygen are known as anaerobic bacteria. Option D ആണ് answer. Anaerobic bacteria. The symbol stands for. The symbol stands for. ആ കാണിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന സിമ്പിൾ എന്തിനെ സൂചിപ്പിക്കുന്നു? Answer option A ആണ് elbow. Option A, elbow. Dash is a form of ball valve used to control the flow of a liquid or gas. Dash is a form of ball valve used to control the flow of a liquid or gas. Answer option C, stopcock. Answer option C, stopcock. Dash is an inspection chamber in a drainage system. Dash is an inspection chamber in a drainage system. Option B ആണ് answer. Manhole. Option B ആണ് answer. Manhole. Which of the following is used in toilet under water closet? Which of the following is used in toilet under water closet? Option B ആണ് answer. Yes, trap. Option B ആണ് answer. Yes, trap. Effluent quality control is typically aimed at. Effluent quality control is typically aimed at. Option D ആണ് answer. All of these. അതായത് public health protection, prevention of eutrophication, promotion of water use. ഇത് എല്ലാം ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് all of these ആണ് ആൻസർ. Dash forces non-toxic artificially created smoke through waste and drain pipes under a slight pressure to find leak. പൈപ്പുകളിലെ ലീക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ടെസ്റ്റ്. അതും സ്മോക്ക് ഉപയോഗിച്ച്. അത് സ്മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് തന്നെയാണ് ആൻസർ. അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരം സി ആണ്, സ്മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. ഇഫ് വാട്ടർ ഫ്ലോയിങ് ത്രൂ എ ടാപ്പ് ഓർ വാൽവ് ഈസ് സഡൻലി അറസ്റ്റഡ് it will produce a noise like a hammering and it is known as water hammer. വാൽവുകളോ ടാപ്പുകളോ പെട്ടെന്ന് അടയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ, പ്രഷർ ലൈനിൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് അടയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ വാട്ടർ ഹാമർ ഉണ്ടാകാറുണ്ട്. ഇത് ചിലപ്പോൾ പൈപ്പ് ലൈൻ തന്നെ പൊട്ടി തകരുന്നതിനും കാരണമാകാറുണ്ട്. The most commonly used disinfectant for sterilization of water is The most commonly used disinfectant for sterilization of water is chlorine. Groundwater is usually free from suspended impurities. Groundwater is usually free from suspended impurities. Option B ആണ് answer. Closed impeller type of centrifugal pump is largely used for pumping water supplies because option A ആണ് answer. Efficiency is high. Closed impeller type of centrifugal pump is largely used for pumping water supplies because efficiency is high. The driving motor is placed below the pump bowl in a option C submersible pump. The pump suitable for lifting water from very deep tube wells of the order of 100 to 150 meter deep is the pump suitable for lifting water from very deep tube wells of the order of 100 to 150 meter deep is airlift pump. Option D an answer, airlift pump. The pump which is not a kinetic energy pump is option A, rotary pump. Option A an answer, rotary pump. At what frequency maintenance works are be carried in water heater? At what frequency maintenance works are be carried in water heater? Option B an answer, 6 months. Option B, 6 months. The distance between manhole and gully chambers should not exceed 6 meters. The distance between manhole and gully chambers should not exceed 6 meters. Waste fittings for wash basin shall be of nominal size. Option A an answer, 32 mm. Waste fittings for wash basin shall be of nominal size 32 mm. The minimum height between the top of the water closet pan and the underside of the high level flushing cistern is 125 cm. The minimum height between the top of the water closet pan and the underside of the high level flushing cistern is 125 cm. The trap which prevent the self-siphonage is option A an answer, anti-D trap. 81ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം PSC ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് 82ലേക്ക് പോകാം. What instrument is used while conducting air test in pipe? Answer option A ആണ്, manometer. How much is the weight of 50 mm CP pillar tap? Option A an answer, 650 gram. Which side of the mixing tap hot water line to be connected? Left side. ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ് ഹോട്ട് വാട്ടർ ലൈൻ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Pop-up waste is replacement of what? Rubber plug of chain. Option A an answer, rubber plug of chain. Dash is an appliance for heating water in bathroom. ഉത്തരം B ആണ്. Answer B, geyser. Option B ആണ് geyser. Option C an answer, water closet. The minimum horizontal distance between a groundwater well and a septic tank should be. The minimum horizontal distance between a groundwater well and septic tank should be 15 meter. Option A an answer, 15 meter. Dash pump is used for pumping sewage. Dash pump is used for pumping sewage. Option C an answer, centrifugal pump. Option C, centrifugal pump. The slope provided for self-cleaning velocity to 150 mm diameter drain pipe. The slope provided for self-cleaning velocity to 150 mm diameter drain pipe is 1:60. Option B an answer, 1:60. Important part of water closet is. Important part of water closet is trap. Option C an answer, trap. SWH means. SWH means. Option A an answer, solar water heating. Solar water heating. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through 1 degree Fahrenheit at sea level is. Option C an answer, BTU, British Thermal Unit, BTU. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water through 1 degree Fahrenheit at sea level is. Option C, BTU, British Thermal Unit. Dash is the energy in transmit from one matter of body to another due to temperature difference. Option A an answer, heat. Option A, heat. Dash is the degree of hotness and coldness of the body. Temperature. Dash is the degree of hotness and coldness of the body. Temperature. 96ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം PSC വിട്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്, ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഇപ്പോൾ 97. In passive heating system, water is circulated in the loop naturally due to dash action. In passive heating system, water is circulated in the loop naturally due to thermosiphon action. Option B an answer, thermosiphon action. How to prevent algae growth in overhead tank? How to prevent algae growth in overhead tank? Option D an answer, by using copper sulfate. By using copper sulfate. Rotary pumps are easily repaired. Why? Rotary pumps are easily repaired. Why? Option A an answer, no valve. No valve. Rotary pumps in a valve illa. What remedy is carried out while spindle of valve rotates continuously? What remedy is carried out while spindle of valve rotates continuously? Option A an answer, change the spindle. Change the spindle. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മളുടെ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, അങ്ങനെ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.